Que lo que, how you doing, my people? Messing with the Suzuki. Now we gotta do this. The flow getting stuck. Está quedando pegado. Getting stuck right here. So we gotta do, put the needle back and clean it. I don't know what's the dirt inside, but we cleaned it already. It looks dirty. But we gonna get it. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. Bueno, still getting floated. I don't know why, but it's still coming up. Open up. I was open. What you said? Still bleeding. I don't know what it looked like that on YouTube. Still dripping. You see it? Still dripping. I don't know what we're gonna do, man. But I think I gotta take it out again. If you can tell, you see? Mad gasoline. I think I fixed it. Let me point it out. I think it was level up that little needle thing, that needle. That little bracket in the middle, it was down. I think I leveled down. When it pressed, it's gonna shut it down. Let's see how we're gonna finish. We putting it back together now, but we're gonna see. Gotta tie it up. All right, 3 minutes back. It's not leaking. I'm gonna turn it on real quick and see if it's not leaking. Go. Let's see. Oh, one. Remember, we did the cylinder yesterday. We had to cut it off because it was leaking through there too. But we getting there. Okay, now it's on. This is water.